Hello and welcome back to Project 380. Just a little update video today to what is happening in the world of Project 380 and what's happening with each of the cars. So first off, the Mark II. As you know, I've been building the Mark II for 5 years. It's still got some problems, but it's finally running and on the road. It's actually been off the road for 11 years, and because it's been off the road for so long, I now want to take the opportunity to enjoy it a little while before I try and push that 380 horsepower magical number. And I know right now, if I push that power level, I'm probably going to run into some issues, which will lead me into not being able to enjoy the car right now. I'm pretty happy with how it's running at the minute. I want to take it to the few events that are still left, being so late on in the year. But I do want to take it to the dyno and see what it's making right now. So planning the dyno is going to be a little bit of a nightmare, as in the space of the next 6 weeks, I've got a 2-week holiday, and Matty my tuner has got something very special coming up, which is going to take a lot of his time. So I may try squeeze that dyno in the next 6 weeks, but that may or may not happen. So until that happens, I just want to enjoy the Mark II. So while I'm leaving the Mark II alone, I've still got 2 other cars. One of them being the Mark I, but I'll get onto that in a minute. So the other car, the Midget. My plan is to crack on with the Midget, as we've got most of the parts to rebuild it. I really wanted to have it done by the summer, but with the problems I had with the Mark II, it just wasn't possible. I have actually started welding it up, and I've already been filming it, so you'll see an MG Midget video soon. I would really like to try and drive the Midget on the road this year, so we'll see how that goes. Now Peppy, the Mark I. Peppy needs a lot of love. There is a lot wrong with this car which I'm not happy with, and I haven't drove it all that much, so I have sort of got a plan in my head what I want done to this, and unfortunately it's going to take a fair bit of money. So hopefully while I'm driving the Mark II around, and I've already got most of what I need for the MG, I can be saving up to build the Mark I. But I do have another plan for the Mark I before I start building it. Now at Silverstone 2024, I had an unbelievable amount of viewers come up to me and say how much my videos have helped them fix their car. And ever since then, I've really wanted to go back to the basics. So most of my videos so far have been how to turbo your car, or how to fit expensive parts, and how to add cool bits on. I myself am a mechanic and a mechanical engineer, and I have realised that there are a lot of people out there which are not mechanics, but a lot of people want to fix their car themselves rather than paying the mechanic price. So alongside the MG Midget, I am going to do a mini series on Peppy the Mark I, which I'm going to call Back to Basics. It's going to be a series of in-depth videos, but very normal things, as in not turboing or supercharging your car, but normal as in how to change your brake pads, how to safely jack an MX-5 up, how to change your control arms, how to change your bushers, how to remove the seats, and so on and so on. All in the aim to hopefully teach you guys a few things, teach all the first time MX-5 owners how to maintain their own car, do everything themselves, and most importantly save some money. Hopefully all you guys are on board with this. I know it's not going to be the exciting usual content, but one of the reasons I started this channel was to help other MX-5 owners work on their own car. So as for Peppy the Mark I, other than just the usual maintenance, I have got a plan in my head of what I want this car to look like, but I may do a live stream. I'm not sure what platform on yet. I'll let you guys know, but I'm hoping to live stream and hopefully get some input from you guys as to what you think I should do with Peppy. So let me know if you guys are up for that in the comments down below. I also want to take this opportunity to thank every single one of you, almost 7,000 subscribers now, and I just clicked over 1 million views. So thank you everyone. You don't know how much that means to me. I am incredibly grateful. Wait a minute, between filming that update and editing it, something else has happened. My girlfriend bought a Mark I with no MOT, and it needs a little bit of work. Only a minor spanner in the works. But damn thing's in better condition than Peppy. So just a quick update today into what is happening in the world of Project 380. Stay tuned for the next one, and as per usual, like, comment, share and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.